Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 12 Exponents and Powers. Hello everyone. So far we have discussed up to question number 3 of exercise 12.1. Now we will proceed with question number 4. Exercise 12.1, question number 4, first part. We have to evaluate. Okay. So it is 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now, this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 to the power 3. So, it will become 2 to the power 3 into 1 and 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Now, it will become 2 to the power 3 into minus 1. I'm directly writing the things, but you have to write the which law you have used. It will become 2 to the power 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 into 5 to the power 3, and it is 2 to the power minus 4. Now see, this is 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the minus, we can write it as like this. Okay. Now bases are same, their power will get subtracted. It will become 2 to the power minus 3 minus, here it is minus 4 already, and it is 5 to the power 3. It will become 2 to the power minus 3, and here it is minus sign outside the bracket. It will become 2 to the power minus 3. It is plus 4 into 5 to the power 3. So it is minus 3 plus 4 will be plus 1, that is 2 to the power 1, and it is 5 to the power 3. So it is 2 and it will become 5 into 5 into 5. So this will 5 into 5 will be 25. 25 into 5 will be 125. 25 into 125 into 2 will be 250. So the answer is 250. Now second part. Second part is we have 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now it is very simple. It can be written as minus, since it is in multiplication. So we can write it as 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. Now their powers are same. So it can be written as 5 into 2 into 6 to the power minus 1. So it is 5 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10, 10 into 6 is 60. 6 to the power minus 1 or 1 upon 60 to the power plus 1, or simply it can be written as 1 upon 60. Clear to you all? Now next question, that is question number 5th. Question number 5th. We have to find the value of m. For that we have 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3, and it is equal to 5 to the power plus 5. Okay. So now this can be written as 5 to the power m upon 5 to the power minus 3, and it is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now bases are same and it is division, so power will get subtracted. So it will become 5 to the power m minus, in place of n it is minus 3. Okay, so it is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now it will become 5 to the power m. Here it is minus, so it will become, this minus 3 will become plus 3, and it is 5 to the power 5. Now bases are same, so their power will be equal. So it will become m plus 3 equals to 5, and m will equals to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So the value of m is 2. Okay. Now next question. I hope this is clear how we have calculated m equals to 2. So you have to write, whenever you are using any particular law of exponents, so you have to write that particular law along with the questions or along with the solution. Okay. Now that is question number 6. That's first part. Evaluate, we have to evaluate. Okay. So it is 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, and here we have minus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1, and its whole power is minus 1. So it can be written as 3 upon 1 to the power plus 1. As I have explained you again and again, that is P upon Q. If the power is negative, if we have to convert this negative power into positive, we have to write the reciprocal, that is Q upon P raised to power plus 1 plus A. So it will become 4 to the power of 1 plus 1 and whole raised to power minus 1. Now first we have solved. So it will become simply 3 upon 1 will be 3 to the power 1 and it is 4 to the power 1 and whole raised to the power it is minus 1. So it is 3 minus 4 it is 1, 1 to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 to the power minus 1 it will be 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1 plus power 1 and answer will become 1. So answer is 1. So this is how we are going to proceed. So the next part of this question is next part is 5 upon 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 upon 5 to the power minus 4. Now we are going to change 1 because we have to make the base equal. So it can be written as 8 upon 5 to the power plus 7 because we are reciprocating the fraction, so its power will become positive into 8 upon 5 to the power minus 4. Now their bases are equal, so their power will get added up. So it become 8 upon 5 7 plus it is minus 4. So it is 8 upon 5. Here we have 7, 7 minus 4 and it is 8 upon 5 to the value 7 minus 4 is 3. So it will become 8 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 3 and it can be written as 8 into 8 into 8 upon 5 into 5 into 5. It is 120, oh sorry, 512 upon 125. So this way we have to calculate. Now question number 7. This is the last question of this exercise. Question number 7. So the first part is, it is 25. We have to simplify this. It is 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into 10 to the power t to the power minus 8, and value of t should not be equal to 0. Okay, it can be either a negative value or a positive, but not should be not equal to. Now this 25 can be written as 25 is nothing but 5 into 5 or 5 to the power 2. Clear? So we can write 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4. So what we are doing, we are converting some similar bases. Now this tan can be written as 2 into 5 and this is t to the power minus 8. So now this is 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 upon this is 5 to the power 3 and here it is 5 to the power 1. If there is no power, then it is means 1. So this is 5 into 3 into 5 to the power 1. It will become same base, power will get added up. It will become 5 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 5 to the power 4. Now in place of this we can write 5 to the power 4 here and we can write 2 as it is and it is t to the power minus 8. Now how we can regrouping, it is 5 to the power 2 upon 5 to the power 4, clear, into t to the power minus 4 and t to the power minus 8 and here it is 1, we have 1 2. Now we can categorize that. It will become 5 upon 2 upon 5 to the power 4. It will become 5 to the power 2 minus 4, that is 5 to the power minus 2. It will become 5 to the power minus 2 into, here it is t to the power minus 4 upon t to the power plus minus 8. It will become t to the power minus 4 minus 8. It will become t to the power minus 4. It will become positive since there is a minus sign outside the bracket. It will become plus 8 and value is final is minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. So it will become t to the power plus 4 and here we have simple 2. Clear? Now this minus 2 power can be converted into 1 upon 5 to the power plus 2 into 2 and in the numerator we have t to the power plus 4. So it will become t to the power 4 in numerator. Now it will become t to the power 4. 5 to the power 2 will be 5 into 5, that is 25. 25 into 2 will be 50. So the final answer will be t to the power plus 4 upon 50. Now the last part of this exercise or question is we have second part is 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 upon 5 to the power minus 7 and 6 to the power minus 5. Now again we have to create some similar bases. So it is 3 to the power minus 5 into this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 and this 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power plus 3. Clear? Now in denominator what we have, it is 5 to the power minus 7 and this 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and whole raised to power minus 5. Now here we have 3 to the power minus 5 and it can be written as 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 and 5 to the power plus 3 upon 5 to the power 7. It will be 2 to the power minus 5 and 3 to the power minus 5. Now this is 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Now these have same bases 5 5, so their power will be added up. So this will become 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3. It will become 5 to the power minus 2. Okay, so in this place we are writing 5 to the power minus 2 and upon we have 5 to the power plus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now we will regroup these similar bases. It will become 3 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power minus 5, 2 to the power minus 5 and 2 to the power minus 5, 5 to the power minus 2 and in denominator we have 5 to the power plus 7. Clear? So this is same base, power will get subtracted. It will become 3 to the power minus 5 minus and here it is already minus sign. Clear? Into 2 to the power minus 5 a minus b. It was a upon a raised to power m and b raised to power a raised to power n. It was a raised to power n plus n. Look, see, in place of a we have 2, in place of m we have minus 5, in place of n we have minus 5. Okay, so like this and this is 5 to the power minus 2 minus 7. Clear? It will become 3 to the power minus 5 and it is plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. 2 to the power, here it is minus 5 plus 5, it is 5 to the power minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. Okay. This is 3 to minus 5 plus 5 will be 0 into here it again 0. It is 5 to the power minus 9 and value of this will be 1 into 1 and it is 5 to the power minus 9. So the value will be 5 to the power minus 9 or it can be written as 1 upon 5 to the power plus 9. So this is the final answer. This is how we have to solve these questions. So with this exercise 12.1 has ended. Now we will come up how to write very small number or very large number in standard form or how we are going to compare those number, we will discuss this in next video. Thank you.